This video shows how to replace the memory module on the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. Before you begin, power off the sled. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first loosen the blue thumb screw on the rear of the enclosure and pull the sled lever. Holding the sled handle, pull the sled out of the enclosure. Starting with the air shroud, lift it and push the retention clip down, and then lift the mini perk car battery out of the air shroud. Now for the memory module. Push the ejectors and lift it out of the sled. To replace the memory module, insert it firmly until it is fully seated. Next, for the air shroud. Push the retention clip and insert the mini perk car battery into the air shroud. And then lower the air shroud. Now, slide the sled into the enclosure until it is fully seated. And then finally, push the sled lever and tighten the blue thumb screw. You have replaced the memory module on the XE7440 sled within a PowerEdge XE7100. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.